Subtracting with regrouping when we have a 0 in our minuend or our top number can be a bit of a challenge. So we're going to figure out how to solve that kind of problem using money. I have created our minuend, 403, using money. 1, 2, 3, 4 hundreds, 0 tens, and 1, 2, 3 ones. Now, when we think about our minuend, we should remember that that represents what we have, and our subtrahend, or our bottom number, is what we owe. If I'm looking at my minuend right now in my ones column, and I notice that I only have $3 and I owe 5, I realize there's a problem. Typically what I do is I go next door and I borrow a 10 and I exchange that 10 for 10 ones and put those ones into the ones column. But there aren't any 10s here. Do you think that I should go all the way over to the hundreds and break up a $100 bill into 100 ones to solve this problem? That's probably not the most effective way to solve this problem. Could we do it? Sure. But that's not the most efficient way, and that's not really the right way to do it. So instead, what I'm going to do is I need to put some 10s here so that I can exchange one of them for 10 ones. The way I put 10s here is by exchanging a $100 bill for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 ones. Do you agree that that's a fair exchange? $100 for 10, I know I said ones, 10 tens? Hopefully you said yes. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put those 10 tens into my tens column and remove the $100 bill. That has left me with 3 hundreds and 10 tens. Now I can take one of these tens and exchange it for 10 ones so that I can have enough in my ones column to do my subtracting. Let's make sure. A $10 bill for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Do you agree that that's a fair exchange? Hopefully you said yes. So I'm going to exchange my 10 ones for this 1 10. That has now left me with 9 tens and 13 ones. I know it's hard for you to believe that having 3 hundreds, 9 tens, and 13 ones is maintaining the value of the number that we first started with, 403. But I haven't taken anything away. We've just changed the form that our money is in. Let's prove it. 100, 200, 300, 310, 320, 330, 340, 350, 360, 370, 380, 390, 391, 392, 393, 394, 395, 396, 397, 398, 399, 400, 401, 402, 403. So we still have $403. It's just now our money is in 300s, 9 tens, and 13 ones, and that will enable us to do our subtracting. If I have 13 ones, I can give away 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that leaves me with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 ones. I have 9 tens, so I can give away 2. So I'm going to take away 1, 2, and that leaves me with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 tens. And I have 3 hundreds. I can take away 1, and that leaves me with 1 200s.